Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
The morning sunshine revealed a lot of that snow that had fallen between last night and going into the early part of this morning. And you can even see that from space. Our visible satellite imagery showing off very well just the extent of that snowfall, even going all the way up into Wisconsin. Once that cloud cover kind of cleared out of the area, you can even see the outlines of rivers within much of the state line area, along with a lot of that snowfall that had fallen. Many spots still underneath a relatively fresh snow cover, even late into the evening, as our temperatures remaining back below that freezing mark. A look with many of our Mercy Health SkyTrack cameras showing off some of that snow cover, along with a partly cloudy sky. It's going to remain the picture here into the evening. We've gone back and forth kind of with some pockets of clearing and some cloud cover. That will kind of remain the picture here through the night tonight. Our temperatures underneath those pockets of clearing will drop a little bit quicker than others. We've already seen kind of that discrepancy with some of our temperatures. We're down to 19 already in Poplar Grove. Meanwhile, 23 in DeKalb, 23 in Rochelle, 24 in Rockford, 22 meanwhile in Freeport, Monroe, and out in Galena. Our weather watcher Jim on the southwest side of Rockford has 26 degrees for his temperature, 14 the current dew point, along with 2 inches of snowfall since midnight. That snowfall acting to help keep our temperatures a little bit cooler here into the evening, along with our high pressure that's moving in. High pressure up to the north will gradually move in, and with that, a little bit of a cooler air mass. You see those numbers in the teens up to the northwest, and that's the cooler air mass that will start to spill our direction through the night tonight. So our numbers will continue to steadily decline. We're going to be down through the teens, and a few spots may even touch the upper single digits for those overnight lows, with those numbers continuing to drop and well back below freezing. Any spots that saw some melting from that snow earlier today likely going to refreeze over unless they are treated, so keep an eye on any slick spots, especially going into tomorrow morning. Through the weekend, though, we start to warm back up a little bit. For Saturday, we're up to 22, although 13 for that next overnight low, again underneath a partly cloudy sky. Cooler than what we've been used to as of late, but we start getting milder again as we get into Sunday. 31 and then 27 that low as our next weather system begins to move in late. Going to our holiday travel forecast, things look pretty good over the weekend with high pressure being the dominant feature, but our next weather system moves in for Sunday night going into Monday. Initially here, that could bring us the potential for a couple of rain showers, possibly some of that freezing on contact with the surface in form of freezing rain, but the higher coverage of any precipitation likely remains well to our north in the form of that potential for some accumulating snow into Wisconsin and going into Michigan. Then things dry out again for Tuesday before our next weather system moves in closer to Wednesday, Christmas Day, likely to feature the potential for at least a few rain showers in the area as opposed to snow showers. 22 for Saturday, then up to 31 for Sunday, near 40 on Monday as that weather system passes through. And with those temperatures back above that freezing mark during the overnights, even close to that, we could see the potential for a lot of this snow, if not all of it, to have melted by the time we get to Christmas Day.